Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content just like this. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. Remember, this video reflects my personal experience with the product. In this video, we're taking a look at SatoChip.io, a fascinating platform offering a unique approach to Bitcoin security. SatoChip provides a hardware wallet solution designed for robust and reliable cold storage of your Bitcoin. Unlike some other hardware wallets, SatoChip focuses on a streamlined, minimalist approach. This simplicity might be appealing to users who prioritize ease of use and a clear, uncluttered interface. It's worth noting that this streamlined approach could also mean fewer advanced features compared to some competitors, so it's important to understand your needs before making a purchase. One of the key aspects of SatoChip is its emphasis on open-source software and transparency. This commitment to open source allows users to inspect the code and verify the security of the device. This transparency builds trust and provides peace of mind, knowing exactly how your Bitcoin is being managed. This focus on verifiability is a significant advantage for users who are particularly concerned about security and privacy. The SatoChip hardware itself is designed to be compact and portable. This makes it convenient for storing and transporting your Bitcoin offline. The small form factor is definitely a plus for those who value discreetness and portability. However, the smaller size might also mean a smaller screen, potentially making navigation slightly less intuitive for some users. This is a trade-off to consider when evaluating hardware wallets. If you're looking for a straightforward and secure way to manage your Bitcoin offline, SatoChip.io might be worth exploring. Their open-source approach and focus on simplicity provide a compelling option in the hardware wallet landscape. However, it's crucial to do your own research and compare SatoChip to other hardware wallets available on the market to ensure it aligns with your specific requirements and technical expertise. Remember to check the description for links and further information. Thanks for watching.